Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking 3 cards, guys. 1 card for your career situation, Pisces. 1 card for your relationship and 1 card as the general guidance card, guys. So these are oracle deck cards, guys. So these are a general guidance card for your situation. So it will if we follow this guidance, it will make things better, guys, for us. So we will see for a career situation here and now. So the oracle's guidance for us today, Pisces, is we need to be here and now in our work situation, guys. So it just means that we have to live in the present, in the current moment. So instead of thinking about our past, whatever that we have missed, or whatever some past hurtful situations, stressful situations, or worrying about the future, what is to come in the future. So you should give up the past hurt and the future worries and focus on the present, whatever we need to do today. So when we do that, we will be working with greater potential, guys, and we will move towards greater prosperity. That is what I see here. So maybe in your past you would have met some failures, whatever that was. You need to forget all that, and you have to see what you need to do today, what efforts you need to make, and give up all your future worries, what may come tomorrow or what may come in your near future. Worry about all that is unimportant. So whatever you think now becomes your reality. So you have to make those efforts with good intentions, and it will automatically take you to success. That is what I see here. What is the card for your relationship? Mending. So in our relationship, guys, we should work towards that forgiveness and making amends, guys. Maybe we have had some quarrels, arguments, we hurt each other, and we keep thinking of it often and hurt us even more. So this is the time you have to go for forgiveness. Forgive yourself, or forgive this person for whatever they have done. So you may be separate or you may be together, but you are experiencing this hurt inside you. So you need to clear that up, guys. You need to clear that up. Only then you will feel energetic and happy. So all you need to do is you have to go for that mending. Say sorry to that person if you can, or make amends. If they have hurt you badly, just forgive them in your heart and forget them, so you can move forward with your life. So that is what this oracle's guidance is about, guys, Pisces. So what is the general guidance card? Happy. So for your general guidance, guys, this may relate to your situation. You may feel joy and contentment today, guys, that everything is going as planned, maybe according to expectations. So you will feel happiness. But if things are not going well, whatever you are expecting, that is not coming about, you may feel some kind of sadness or stress because of that. So what do you do at that time? So whatever is the situation, guys, you see it with a childlike wonder. So you don't take things too seriously. Have fun, laugh it out, whatever be that situation. Be happy, light-hearted. So when you do that, when you are happy, however your situation may be, maybe you are in a very stressful situation, you may see things going the other way against your expectation, some kind of sadness you have. But whatever the situation is, if you are happy, you will invite more happiness into your life, guys. Happiness, being happy invites more happiness into you, and in turn invites prosperity and great things into your life, guys. So that is what this card is about. So whatever the situations are, be happy no matter what. So that is what this oracle is trying to guide you with, guys. And that is the reading for today, Pisces. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Pisces. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.